How great would it feel if you always knew exactly how much profit you made and how much cash in your bank accounts was yours to keep? I've been a financial advisor now for almost 30 years, working with business owners across the country, and I've helped them reclaim hundreds of thousands of dollars. Their biggest challenge isn't making money, it's mastering their cash flow. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where you're losing money, and I'm going to walk you through my simple 30-30-40 system that will stop the financial leaks and set you up for long-term success. And if you stick around until the end, I will walk you through my free resource that'll help you implement this system into your business and accelerate your results fast. Most business owners are great at making money, but terrible at keeping it. You check your bank accounts and you think, that's what I have to spend. But that's not how it works. Everything's mixed. Your payroll, your taxes, your owner pay, your random expenses, all one big cash soup. And without structure, you're reacting to your balance instead of leading your money. That's why it always feels like you're running hard, but never getting ahead. Let's fix that. But before we do, I also built a free community that will walk you through step by step on how to dominate your cash flow. You can join us at the link below, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. The 30-30-40 system. This is the same framework I've used personally and with my clients, and it turns chaos into clarity. Here's how it works. 30% goes into owner benefit. This is your salary and your distributions and anything the business is paying for that benefits you. Your car payments, your health insurance, your cell phone. Think of it as your CEO compensation package. You're not just an employee in your business, you are the CEO. Pay yourself like one. The next piece is 30% goes to profit. This is your scorecard as a CEO. Your job is to run a lean, profitable company. The good news is you own the business, so you get to keep both your compensation and your profits. The next piece, 40%, goes to operating expenses. This is what's left to run the business. Your team, your marketing, your rent, your software, everything else that keeps the lights on and helps the business grow and supports the business must be funded from that 40%. When you think like this, you're gonna stop reacting and you're gonna start leading. Every dollar has a purpose. You know instantly if your overhead's bloated or if you can afford to make that next hire because the system will tell you. Now, I know some of you are wondering, John, where do taxes fit into this? Not in this video. This is a foundation. Let's get the foundation down first. Once you do, adding in that tax strategy is pretty simple. I'll cover that in future breakdowns. And if you're thinking this won't work for me, I can tell you that the first time I ran my numbers, I was losing money, and within 7 months, I had this formula on lockdown with my own revenue. What's important is to figure out where you are today and start making those adjustments so that you can get there and you can stay there. All right, so here's how you're gonna take control starting today. Okay, step number 1, download all your transactions from the last few months into Excel or QuickBooks. If you wanna go all in, do the last 12 months. Just get after it today. Step number 2, add up your total revenue. Number 3, add up what you paid yourself, your salary, any draws, health insurance, car payment, anything that the company paid out that you benefited directly from, add that all up. Step number 4, add up all your operating expenses. What's left? That's your true profit. Hey, and if you find this video helpful, hit the like or subscribe button. It helps to let me know to make more content like this for you. Now, we're gonna reverse engineer things. We're gonna reorganize your numbers using the 30-30-40 system. Let's see where you are off. Maybe you're overspending, maybe you're underpaying yourself, and we're gonna start making those adjustments. It may take a few months to get aligned, but that's okay. The goal is clarity, not perfection. Let's face it, if you were fired as a CEO today and a new one came in, this is exactly what they'd be doing. They'd be reassessing, restructuring, and making the business healthy again. You can do that right now by taking action in this video. And if you want help doing this step by step, I built a free community called the Cash Flow Academy. Inside, I walk you through exactly how to implement the system, how to organize your accounts, how to pay yourself right, and make profits predictable. Click the link in the description to join for free and start accelerating your results today. And if you'd like more direct help, maybe you want someone to look at your numbers and help you build your custom plan, reach out. This is what I do every day with business owners just like you. When you master your cash flow, You stop running your business like an employee and you start leading it like a true CEO. This system is how you buy back your time, build real wealth, and finally make your business pay you back. If you need some motivation for where you will put all that profit you find, watch my next video on maximizing your retirement savings. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week or inside the academy.